On the technology front, DRDO and Australia Defence Science and Technology Group are already collaborating on towed array sensors. Later this year, collaboration in fields of quantum technology, artificial intelligence, cyber security, information warfare, and advanced science and technology are set to be explored. India welcomes the Australian companies to partner with Indian industries to co-develop and co-produce high-end systems, including propulsion technologies, autonomous underwater vehicles, flight simulators, and advanced materials. Joint ventures can help build interoperable platforms aligned with the strategic objectives of both our nations. Friends, I am told that the several industry collaborations are already taking shape. Such Indo-MIM Private Limited and Thales Australia are working together on small arms parts. Tata Advanced System has tied up with WE Plot Proprietary Limited on uncooled sites. Munitions India Limited is collaborating with Equisport in the primer segment. These examples show how our industrial ecosystem complement each other and how businesses can become the driving force behind government-to-government strategic intent. Their collaboration paves a roadmap for other companies to collaborate further. Defense sector companies of Australia, some of which are also present here, have great scope to collaborate with their Indian counterparts. I have the confidence that this list can grow much bigger in near future, allowing the two sides to take full benefits of the existing potential. I am very happy that the Australian side has proposed a reciprocal provision of defense articles and services (MU) to streamline procurement, technology transfer, and G2G collaboration, government-to-government collaboration. We welcome this initiative. Importantly, Australia has identified India as a top-tier partner, removing certain regulatory barriers to enable easier technology sharing. This is a testament to the trust and confidence that binds us. Friends, huge opportunities loom before us. The opportunity of co-production of naval vessels and subsystems, ship repair, refits, and MRO support in India for Australian and partner nation vessels, joint research and development in autonomous systems, underwater sensors, green shipbuilding technology, setting up MRO hubs in Australia, supported by India's skilled force, supply chain integration, leveraging India's cost advantages and Australia's innovation leadership beckon our two industries to join hands. By diversifying supply chains, building joint capacities, and investing in skills and innovation, our two nations can together contribute to a resilient, secure, and self-reliant Indo-Pacific. Friends, the India-Australia Defence Partnership is a defining moment. The convergence of our strategic interests, combined with the energy of our industries and the vision of our leadership, gives us a unique opportunity to shape the future together. Now I invite the Australian business community to invest, collaborate, and innovate with India. Together, we can develop cutting-edge technologies, build advanced platforms, and ensure that our industries are not just suppliers, but strategic enablers of peace and security in the region. Let us seize this moment to build a partnership that is not only economically beneficial but also strategically transformative.